In this episode of Marine Engineering 101, we will feature a repair and calibration job for a safety relief valve onboard. This is an LSV-1S safety valve set at an opening pressure of 9 bars. Complete the video to learn more about keypoints in this kind of repair job. The safety relief valve is installed to release excessive pressure in a pipeline at set opening pressure. Let's familiarize the parts of our safety relief valve. Valve body and casing, spindle and spring, valve seat. Lower body, and the ring gear. The opening pressure can be adjusted through the adjusting nut located on upper portion of the valve. The problem was this valve has been leaking even without reaching the set point. Hence a repair job is needed. Upon inspection of the parts, worn valve seats were observed due to pittings. The best remedial option entails a refacing operation on the lathe machine. During overhaul jobs, it is best to clean and recondition all parts. Thoroughly brush surface to remove rusts and residues to be able to check for cracks and other deteriorations. When it comes to refacing of parts such as valve seats, only qualified personnel shall execute the job. Safety precautions on machinery operations and personal protection is a must. After careful inspection and all parts fully clean, the valve is ready to be assembled. The assembly of the valve requires proper order and adjustment of spindle head. In the absence of a pressure calibrator, we used a simple T connection with pressure gauge to record opening pressure adjustments. The adjustment of spindle height corresponds to set point on opening pressure. With the help of working air system, an opening pressure at 5 bars was recorded at 18 mm setting. Succeeding test resulted at 2 bars opening pressure at 20 mm height. This brings the calibration to 15.6 mm to reach the 9 bars opening set point. The valve was then installed with leak rectified and calibration successfully carried out. If you find this content helpful, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This is Marine Engineering 101. Work smart, know better.